Okay, 1978, as you can see, RD200 DX. I've owned this about 5 years. Chap who had it before me, it's a second owner. First owner was a woman who owned it for about 30 years. He did all the restoration on it, paintwork, chrome. I think the chrome and the powder coating and stuff like that cost me about £1,000. So as you can see, very tidy indeed. I do ride it about from time to time, but I've got plenty of other stuff which I'm usually on. But nice condition, engine goes really well. And so wheels was chromed, exhausts, just a nice bike. Seat professionally done. I'll tell you who later. Let's just give it a start. As you can see, low mileage. It's only done 12,000 miles. Ticks over nicely, as you can see. There you go. Gonna get in touch with me, Phil, and it's 07767 880812. That's 07767 880812.